Okay, y'all, get your pens and paper out because this video right here is about herbal blends to help with nicotine withdrawals. These are smokable herbs that will help you get through that hump. And don't forget to get your free ebook, your herbal ebook about herbs for ailments of the body. So let's get ready to get into this video. Are y'all ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get ready to get in this video. So here we go. Okay, so this formulation right here, I actually did this for my son who was trying to get off vaping. So he was like, Mom, you really need to come up with something to help me. I'm having so much trouble trying to get off vaping. So I got this together for him and he loves it. So this is not on my site yet, but it will be. So I'm going to get into this video. And first, before we do this, let's talk about the formulations really quick. Now, I went over this once before, but most people said that they didn't see it. So first of all, you're going to need a base. Okay, let's talk about what the base is. For my base, I have 3 tablespoons of mullein. Okay, and a base is your carrier, light, fluffy, and it acts as a cushion for the rest of the herbs. This is what's going to try to help hold everything together and keep it solid and firm. So I'm just going to add my mullein to the bowl, 3 tablespoons. Now, that is going to be my base or my carrier. Now, we need to talk about the supportive role. Okay, so this is for kicking nicotine addiction. So what the supportive role is, another name for that is kicker herbs. Okay, so this herb right here is Lobelia, which is a very good herb that helps to help you with stop smoking. Now, keep in mind this if in large amounts, in large quantities, this can be very toxic. So it's very controversial, but this is the closest thing to nicotine. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add this in here, and this is 1 tablespoon. Okay, so that's one of my this is one of my kickers right here. This is what's going to have all the benefits and the potency. Okay, so also another thing that nicotine withdrawals, when you're having that, you have that stress, that anxiety. You're looking for that calmness. So we're going to use passionflower. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of passionflower for that, which is relaxing, calming, soothing. This again, another supportive herb, which is another name for that is a kicker herb. Okay. So I've got 3 tablespoons of mullein, 1 tablespoon of Lobelia, 1 tablespoon of passionflower. Okay, so we know that nicotine is heavy. So I decided to go with willow bark. Willow bark is heavy. It also has that smoothness after taste to it, just like the nicotine would. So this is going to give you, it has body, it has the increased heaviness and the soothingness and the reminiscence of tobacco. So this is why I chose this. This right here is going to be your body, okay? Because we need some body for this. We got to trick the brain into thinking that it's still getting that nicotine. Okay, so that it will be palatable. The last thing that we need is the flavoring, okay? Now, I'm going to name off a couple of flavoring herbs that you can use. You don't have to use mint, okay? But I chose mint. You can use spearmint. You can use rose, lavender, anise, sage. All of those are flavoring herbs, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add this peppermint to it. And I'm just going to mix this up. And this is what you are going to need if you're suffering from nicotine withdrawals. And I want to cover something else on the, as far as how much of each herb to use. Now, for your base, you'll need 2 tablespoons. And this is in small quantities. 40 to 60% of your mix is going to be your base, okay? Supportive, you need 1 tablespoon, 1 to 2 tablespoons, 30 to 40% is going to be your mix. For your flavoring, you need 1 to 1/2 tablespoon of a flavoring herb, which is 10 to 20% of your mix, okay? So make sure y'all are writing this down, because it was said that I did not go over this in some other videos, but I'm going over it again. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to get your free ebook of healing herbs for any ailment in the body. And this is the final product.